So next topic is we have seen about the one of the leader, that is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. He has given the title Raja by the Akbar, and we can see he has fought between the year 1772 to 1833. And what? He was a very good scholar, we can say, very knowledgeable person, and he was very much scientifically practical leader, who can say that who wanted to make the people free from the British rule. So what he was doing, see, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, a learned man from Bengal, understood what was wrong in the country. So he understood that what was happening wrong in the country and what he was doing. Let us not despise ourselves. Our ancient culture is great and we are capable of greater achievements. So, superstitions have been ruining us. So what happened? So our leaders, those who have done before rulers, whatever they have done, it is good. It is not, and it is good for our achievements. And what he was saying, the superstitious belief that we should not do that, this and that, is ruining our country. So we should change something in the superstitious, as well as we should make the people knowledgeable. So what he was doing, he is telling to his wife that he told his wife, Uma, cows of different colors, but the colors of their milk is the same. But different teachers have different opinions, but the of every religion is the same. So what happened? He is telling to his wife that maybe the cow's colors are different, but the milk will be same color only. And the different teachers have different opinions, but their one point of view which want them to teach the students will be the same. And what? Every religion having different opinions, having different way of practices, but their motive will be to pray God and have something. So here this was the motive of everybody, one motive which they are doing in a separate way. And what he was doing, he was attracted by science and modern knowledge. He was a knowledge person, so he was attracted with that. And what he was making, knowledge should be potential and scientific. He is saying that knowledge should be potential and scientific. So what he was done, he crossed the seas and went to England to see what made the British powerful. That he told them. So what happened? He went there. Raja Ram Mohan Roy went to England to see that what made the British people so powerful with all the things, we can say, with power, with their rule and everything, how they become so powerful. So when he went there, he just spoke something. What he said, we accept you as a ruler and you must accept as a subject, that you must be mindful of the responsibility alone was spoke to the subject. So what happened here, he was saying about that we are accepting you as a ruler, but you should also accept us as a subject, that if we say something, you should consider something and you should have some responsibility towards the country people. So here, what happened? For making the people knowledge, what he was doing, he started the newspaper to make the people knowledge about the happenings worldwide. But what happened for that also cunningly, but the suspicious British stopped them in 1823. So what happened? That also stopped by the British people, that they don't want the Indian people to be knowledge about anything. So this was the planning of the British, and till the last Raja Ram Mohan Roy had made his effort to make the people knowledgeable through his own way of ideas. And next topic we have seen, that is oppression. How the British people oppressed the Indians through various laws, we can say, which was fought between 1765 till 1835. But the British continued to oppress Indians in 1812. They passed a regulation under which an Indian could be jailed. What happened? And without being tried in a court. So what happened? Any wrong or any punishment, we can say that any small thing also they have done wrong, means they will be put into the jail, the Indian people. The British people are putting them into the jail without having any trial in the court, without having any discussion about that matter in the court. They just putting it. It was made as a rule by the British. And what they are doing, at the same time, British officers in India got big salaries and also made fortunes in private business. So what happened? At the same time, they started to make huge profits by making by making the people to work day and night, and they made also so many profits by the business. And what they are doing, while Indian industry began dying, the British prospered on the companies' loot. So what happened? The companies has been looted of Indian companies has been looted, which was also captured by the British people by making profits. And what happened? By 1829, for example, Britain was exporting goods worth even 7 crore rupees to India each year. India is getting each year, that is, British people are getting each year 7 crore rupees from Britain. So how they are becoming so, we can say, cunning and having a profit-minded people, those who are not thinking about the people of India. And what they are saying, the Governor General, when he was there, he was, we can say that when 1765 till 18, that period, Governor General was William Bentinck. So reported back to home, to England, he was reporting that the bones of cotton weavers are bleaching the plains of India. That means the people of India are ruining because of starvation, and they are making profits from that by making them slave and taking taxes from this and that. They are ruining their life, and because of that they are prospering on the other side. This was the condition of the people in the period. Next we have seen about the dissatisfaction, which was for between 1835 till 56. And what happened? Dissatisfaction. We have seen that the people have a dissatisfaction of some rule which was taken by the British. What was that rule? We can see education in India was in Persian and Sanskrit. We have seen that we have taken the language. Before, Indian language people were learning was Sanskrit and Persian, and now British people is not able to cope up with the people because of the language issue. So they say, what they are thinking, they thought that by changing the law in 1835, an Englishman named Macaulay suggested a change. He was suggesting some change in the language, that we should teach the natives through the English language. So they thought that by teaching them English language, they will even more capture the peoples also. See here, they are now only capturing the land and territory. Now they started to capture the people mindset also. What they are saying, see, I concern, we think which language, and we have to change the people's language to change their mindset, to make them slave, even more slave with the people. What they are doing, they are making the people mindset also changing by changing the language of them. So here, English education produced clerks to whom the British slave petty jobs, and other than incidentally it also produced a new generation of intellectuals. So what happened? This produced a new kind of intellectuals of people, but at the same time they are becoming clerks. Clerks, we can say, as a servant, they started to work to the people of British by getting a petty jobs, a small jobs, not a big high authority or that they are not getting. Just for petty jobs, they are educating the Indian people. And see, we must educate our brothers and try to improve their material conditions. So our dad must convey our grievances to the British Parliament. So what happened? Here some others started to have a talk about this. Yes, we have to make our brothers also to educate with the language, English language, and others started to say, yes, we have to improve their material condition, and others started to say that we should have some our problems also we should tell to the British Parliament. So now what happened? See here the Indian map. Before we have seen a little part of territory was captured by the British people. Now maximum of the territory was captured by the people of India, British people, but they carried little about the news of India. So what happened now? Little bit the British started to care about the Indians. So what? And lands, they are converting our brothers, and our kings have become puppets, and we have to lose their jobs and families. So you only not do something to drive them off. So what happened? People started to have a talk about this communication, that yes, now they started to take our lands. Now the people are also educated in English in such a way that they are converting them to their language, converting them totally. So what happens? Some people are saying what we can do, because our kings are in the hands of them. So how we can go against them? So somebody, the Brahmin said that if you are not speaking anything and not going against, then who will talk? Like that, people have so many problems within the language also, with the dissatisfaction. Some are satisfied and some are dissatisfied, but the dissatisfaction for more than the satisfaction.